Hello.
Hi po, good morning po.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning po. What's your name? What do I call
Thea
you?
po.
I'll call you
Thea.
Thea. Thea. May
Yes.
H ba yan o wala?
Meron.
Meron. Ilang taon na si Thea?
I'm 41 po.
Four? O yung aso
41.
nyo. Baka gutom.
Sorry po. 41 po.
Asan si Thea ngayon?
Nasa Angat Bulacan.
Bulacan. Okay. Anong ginagawa sa buhay?
I'm working in a BPO po.
Ba't nangyari? Ba't humina yung boses mo?
Hindi po, sorry. Okay na po.
Ayan. BPO po.
Yes po.
May anak ka na ba?
Wala po. I'm single, Papa Jack.
Single. Very single.
Hindi ko po alam eh.
May jowa.
Hindi ko rin po alam eh kung bakit po single until now.
Kanina paputol ka po. Ano yan? I'm sorry.
Hindi ko po kasi alam kung bakit single ako until now.
Okay. Thea, I wanna understand you more clearly. Naka-headset ka po ba?
No po. Hello po.
Loudspeaker, are you not?
Yes po, naka-loudspeaker ako kanina.
Ayan, handheld lang ha, para maintindihan kita. Kasi yung huling-huling mga nag-loudspeak, nagmumulta ng 2.5 eh. Unless gusto mo mapagastos ngayon, okay lang sa akin, titiisin ko magkaka 2.5 ako.
Ay, hindi.
Okay, tinan mo, di ba? Minsan, takutan lang to ng bayad eh, no? Alright. Thea ng Bulacan. Okay.
Yes po.
It's very peculiar yung tanong mo. Ano?
Papa Jack, kasi ito po yung context ko. I was in a relationship 3 months ago. So, kaka-break ko lang po recently. And 2 months kaming hindi nag-usap. And now, nag-uusap na ulit kami. But then, ito lang, kahapon, medyo hindi kami nagkaintindihan at some point. Kasi I wanted him to be better. But then again, siguro masyado akong naging pakialamera, masyado akong naging kasi nagkaroon siya ng girlfriend. And then, sinabihan ko siya na parang as a friend, concern ako sa kanya.
Wait.
So,
Wait. Nung may girlfriend siya, magkausap kayo?
Hindi, yes po. Kasi magka-work po kami. We're on the same, sorry po, we're on the same work po kasi. So, we're on the same team.
Mm-hmm.
So, magkasama kami sa trabaho, magkasama kami. And then, namimili naman, kumbaga sa akin kasi pinapayuhan ko siya as a friend na, kasi yung girlfriend po niya is apat. Yung recent girlfriend niya is apat yung anak, and then meron siyang isang anak pa. So, para po kasi sa akin, masyadong complicated yung situation. So, ang nangyari po kasi, hiwalay na po niya. And then, again, nagkaroon po ulit siya na bago. So, sabi ko sa kanya, pinapakita mo ba na womanizer ka? Pinapakita mo ba na, kasi marami na po akong naririnig na cheater yan, ganito, ganyan. So, as a friend po na concern, I don't want na gano'n yung tingin sa kanya ng tao. Tapos ngayon, recently, sinabihan ko siya na parang ganito yung tingin sa'yo ng tao, minasama niya po.
Kaya,
yes po.
okay. Ayon sa Google Dictionary, ang kahulugan ng vested interest ay a personal stake or involvement in an undertaking or of a state or affair, especially one with an expectation of financial gain. Number 2 meaning, a person or group having a personal stake or involvement. Nasa pangalawang meaning ka.
Sorry naman.
Okay. Wait lang, let me inquire. Kailan naging kayo nito?
Last year po.
Gaano katagal naging kayo?
9 months.
9 months. But why did you break up?
Siya po yung nag-insist ng breakup.
Okay.
Kasi daw pagod siya, hindi niya kaya, hindi siya makapag-multitasking. May basketball, may work, tapos may
So
anak po
iniwan
siya.
ka niya.
Yes po.
But he had the time to have another girl after you.
Yes po.
At punong-puno ka ng katsipan to stay in his life at payuhan siya sa mga bagay na wala ka na dapat pakialam. And you do that in the guise of as a friend po.
Hindi ano po kasi, Papa Jack. Recently po kasi nagkakausap na kami and nangihingi naman po siya ng mga payo. Pero,
No. I'm not talking about him. I question your motives. Kanina sabi mo sa akin, sabi mo, pinapakita mo ba sa akin na womanizer ka? Why is that your concern?
kasi po ayaw ko po maano na masabi ng tao sa kanya na
Why
ganun siya.
is that your concern? Eh ano kung sabihin ng buong Quezon City na babaero siya? Why is it your concern?
Ayaw ko po kasing maging nanan siya.
Why is it your concern? Why is it your concern?
Kasi Papa Jack, my father was a womanizer before and ayaw kong yung anak niya yung magbayad ng
Why
pagiging
is he
womanizer.
your concern?
Kasi I care about him po.
Why?
Kasi Papa Jack, importante siya sa akin.
Why?
Yun po yun, importante siya sa akin.
Because?
I still care about him po.
Why?
Yan po yun, Papa Jack. I still care about him.
Kailan ka nag-break?
August po.
August. When was the last time that you met each other exclusively? Met, ha?
Recently lang po kasi we're in the same team po kasi.
Okay. Do you still go out together? Kayong dalawa lang?
No po, nag-uusap kami sa prod. Nag-uusap kami during lunch.
Wala na mali siya.
Wala na po.
Pag kinis ka niya, lalabang ka ba?
Hindi po.
So hayaan mo siya. ba't kinilig? Hoy, Teya, ba't kinilig ka?
Wala po.
Hoy! 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 Pag kinis ka niya, lalaban ka o papayagan mo siya? At wait lang, mas maganda yung pangatlong pilihan. Or, hayaan mo ikis ka niya, tapos pagkatapos tatanungin mo, ha? Ba't mo ginawa yun? Ganon.
Siyempre, Papa Jack, hindi ako lalaban ako.
Madalas na naman siya. Siyempre, hindi ako lalaban. Ay, lalaban ako. Ano ba talaga?
Hindi po, Papa Jack. Kaya naman ako mali siya talaga kasi it's I'm on healing process na po kasi.
Oh, you're on healing process
Yes po.
while having him in your life.
Hindi naman po sa ganun kasi we're just friends naman po.
I don't, ganito, ano, I don't question the goodness of your heart. Okay? I think mabuti ang puso mo. Alright?
Yes po.
But you're 41.
Yes po.
And in the beginning of our conversation, you said, di ko nga palang ba't hanggang single pa ako. Tama?
Yes po.
Good luck kung may makaligo sa yung lalaki. Close kayo na ex mo. Ito to. Kahit may gusto sa'yo, hindi yung liligaw. Bakit? May bagay ka eh. May ex kang bitbit eh. And you are, you do that in the guise of, as a friend, no. You look like a desperate ex. Who is still, yeah, you are. who still wants so bad to be a part of your ex's lives, transactions, affairs. Imagine mo sabihin mo na, are you showing me na you are a womanizer? You are a womanizer again. Bakit mo concern yun? Ano kung maging puno siya ng erbaka bukas?
Kasi hindi naman po siya ganun before.
And so, ba't mo nga concern?
Kasi lang, hindi ko po kasi siya gustong maging ganun.
That is his life. And you are no longer a part of his life. Look, ate, binrake ka niya. He broke up with you. That could have been an insult eh. Binrake ka niya, wala siyang time sa'yo, pero jumawa ng iba. Pero syempre, you are desperate to be a part of his life. At sabi mo, hindi po Papa Jackson. As a friend lang. Tigilan mo ako. For 2.5 decades now, I have been listening to people's stories. At alam ko na umaasa ka na balikan ka niya. You still love the guy. Huwag tayo maglokohan. Hello.
Yes po.
You still love the guy?
Yes po.
Okay. At least honest ka. Next question. Do you think he still loves you?
Hindi na po.
Then why are you hanging around? Why do you tag or label yourself as a backup plan? Bakit?
I've been in a relationship before, pero sa kanya lang kasi yung nakaramdam ng love.
Teka lang, hindi kita marinig. Ano po yun?
Ganun po siya ng mga relationship before, pero sobrang toxic po. Sa kanya lang ako naging masaya. So, parang ang hirap mag-ito.
Kaya okay ka na maging backup plan ka?
Yes po.
Okay. Did I hear that right? Okay ka na maging backup plan?
Yes po.
Okay. Kasi kung okay ka, hindi kita pakikialaman. I mean, I don't want to meddle with your happiness. I mean, if that's your level of comfortability, you're completely fine. Backup plan ka na, hindi kita para pigilan. If someone is fine being number 2 and being treated like a second best, why would I get in the way? Ha? Hindi ka ba naawa sa sarili mo?
Nakakawa po.
Then why do you allow him to treat you this way? You don't deserve this. Yung kada magkakaroon siya ng iba, nababadrip ka na, sana binalikan ka na lang niya kasi iba na maghihiwalay rin naman na sila, sana binalikan ka na lang niya. Pero habang meron siyang jowang iba, you're going to be hovering around as a friend. You are not there because you have an intention of just being a friend to him. You are there because you're hoping that he would see your value the way you want him to see your value. You could be a potential partner to him. He's over you. He broke up with you. Ba't ka umiiyak ngayon?
Kasi pa nasasaktan ano ko sa reality.
Yeah. Naaawa ko sa'yo. Hindi mo kailangan to. Pero naaawa kami sa'yo. Hmm. Kanina, nasabi mo, di ba? You are so into him because you were a part of a toxic relationship. Tama?
Yes po.
And maybe he was the most gentle of all the lovers you've ever had.
Yes po.
Yeah. That's why you tolerate him.
Yes po.
But did you know that in the process, it's the same thing? This is also toxicity. Pareho lang toxicity yan. Alam mo kung anong difference ito ngayon?
Ano po?
Yung mga nauna, feeling ko lumabang ka pa dun eh. Tama, mali?
Tama po.
Dito sinuko mo lahat eh.
Yes po.
Yung dignity mo, sinuko mo eh, di ba? Right?
Yes po.
Why do that? Why?
Siguro kasi sobrang minahal ko po talaga siya.
Yeah. Or siguro tanga ka lang talaga. Pwede rin yun. Palagay mo.
Siguro po.
Is there any way that you can resign from the job so as to not see him every day?
We don't see each other naman po kasi magkikita lang kami after 2 weeks po kasi I work from home for 2 weeks and 1 week on site.
Oh. So, it's the day that you look forward to, no? My God, magkikita kami eh. Wala rin point. Kahit na hindi ka nagkikita lagi. But you look forward to that day. Tama, mali?
Tama po.
Yeah. Alis ka sa work na yan. Alam mo, kailangan mong gawin yan. Somehow, naniniwala ako na out of sight, out of mind. You believe that?
Yes po.
Yeah. Kailan ka magre-resign?
Kakaisang taon ko pa lang po kasi papajak sa working.
Okay, sige. But at least, gumawa ka ng paraan to be away from his universe.
Yes po.
Before I let you go tonight, I'm gonna tell you something. Ready?
Yes po.
You're only the worth you allow people to look at you. You're only worth kung ano ang pinapakita mo sa ibang taong halaga mo. And so far, you're almost worthless to him. Akala mo ba hindi niya alam that it hurts you every time that you talk about girls that he has in his life? Alam niyo yun. Ikinamamatay ng puso mo yun. But what do you do? Enthusiastically, you give him advice. Pagagalitan mo siya na parang ate, parang best friend in the guise of being friend. Because you're so concerned that people will look at him na babaero. Concerned ka sa kanya. Puro siya. Alam mo, tingin ng tao sa'yo.
Ano po?
Tanga. Habang sinisave mo siya, kung yun ang premise ng usapan natin, habang siya sinisave mo, para hindi siya makita ng ibang tao na womanizer, ikaw na uubos ka. In the process, you are consuming yourself. Hindi naman bago yung linya natin, di ba? You deserve what you
Tolerate.
Yeah. Narinig yun sa akin ng best na yan eh. And you tolerate this. So deserve mo yan. So stop tolerating it. You know what's... Alam mo kung ano masakit dito? Weird to pero sabihin ko sa'yo. Ready ka?
Yes po.
Okay. Bago yan. Mula nag-break yan, never ka nagtalik.
Po?
Narinig mo ako. Sagutin mo yung tanong ko.
Hindi ko po naintindihan, Mary.
Mula nag-break kayo, never kayo nag-sex.
Never.
Okay, now. Weird to ha. Pero sabihin ko sa'yo ha. Ready?
Yes po.
Hindi ba't nakakabastos na hindi ka niya niyayaya kahit alam niya mapayag ka? Kahit doon na lang eh. Yung attraction eh. Kahit init ng katawan na lang eh. Hindi mo naisip yun. I'm not saying tama to ha. I'm just saying. Hindi ba't nakakabastos that he knew and he knows you are all over him and yet ni kahit kaliguban na lang he doesn't have it for you. Kahit doon na lang kasi alam niya papayag ka eh. Ako sure ako papayag ka. Gagawin mo yun para bumalik lang siya. Pero hindi ka pa tataka. Kahit yun na lang, hindi ka niya niyayaya. Hindi ka na mabastusan sa part na yan. Ha?
Napapastusan po.
Kasi alam natin mapahayag ka eh. Huwag tayo maglokohan dito. You'll gladly say yes. Kasi you will interpret that as, oh my God, attracted na siya sa akin ulit. Di tataka? Di ba? Ako ka, Thea. Well, I hope that you start loving yourself soon. I hope you start loving yourself soon. Tell me, did you realize something tonight or maybe you just na-reconfirm mo na lang na tama nga? Kasi kanina pinaplastic ko pa sarili mo eh. As a friend po. Charot. Ano yun? Ba't may tumunog? Narinig mo? May tumugtog na malakas.
Yes po. Yes po.
Dumis ko eh, no? Anyways. Sorry. Ang gulo mo daw kasi naman. Tumugtog tuloy yung background. Alright?
Yes.
Okay. You know exactly what you need to do, right?
Yes po.
Well, thank you sa pagtawag sa akin. I appreciate you.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat.
Thank
Thea,
you po. Good morning po.
good morning.